Hi, in this video we'll have a look at how to create Power BI dashboards using Dynamics 365 data. Over here I've logged into Power BI, and to get the connection going between Power BI and Dynamics 365, we will need to install a content pack, and to do that we need to go on the bottom left and click Get Data, and we'll click on Get Services. On this screen I can already see that we've got Sales Analytics for Dynamics 365, and we'll just click Get It Now. Now, once you click Get It Now, you'll be presented with this screen, and we need to go and grab the Dynamics 365 URL. And we need to enter the physical year and month number, and we'll just use 12. Once you've entered that in, click Next, and we will wait for the connection to get set up. Once you have logged in, the Power BI will start installing the app and populating the dashboard. Once the data has been populated, you need to go to Apps, click on Sales and Analytics for Dynamics 365, and you will be provided with the dashboard. Hopefully this has been helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be glad to help. Thank you.
For more Dynamics 365 support and to learn how we can help you get the most out of your CRM system, click the link on your screen.